Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get coupons and promo codes with Pet Boys. If you're looking to get exciting deals and bonuses and you need promo codes, this video is for you. So currently I am at the official website. As you can see, we have www.petboys.com, and currently they have a section here for coupons. As you can see, you click on the section for coupons and we're going to see a whole list of promotions and bonuses that they offer. As we can see, we have get up to $110 back with mail in rebate, as you can see. So feel free to explore and make the decision and make a choice that is best for your particular need. As you can see, we have the ones for tires and we have that for brakes. So make sure you go through, and for you to simply benefit, you just have to simply click on the particular one that you need. Secondly, to get more coupons, simply come to couponfollow.com/site/petboys.com. This is a directory. You simply come to it, enter your browser, type that directory, and you click enter. You'll see this web page whereby we have a wide variety of coupons once more. And as you can see, this blue button says show coupon code. If I click here, for example, I'm going to click on this. I click here, it's going to redirect me to the official Pet Boys website. Actually, it's going to redirect me to the official Pet Boys website as it has so far. And the coupon that I clicked so far, this Champ 10, it had already copied to my clipboard. So all I need to do now is just to use it. Alright, so guys, that's how we get coupons for Pet Boys. Before I go, there's another website whereby we can get more deals. We have couponchief.com. So if you looked in the first two and you did not see the particular deal that is great for you, couponchief.com is going to provide you with more promo codes whereby you can get great exciting deals for Pet Boys. And that's that, guys. Feel free to explore and look for one that for the promo code that best suit your needs. Thanks for watching.